Today we're turning this store-bought ham into a masterpiece. A little smoke, a simple glaze, and the most flavorful ham you've ever tasted. I'm Jason with Old 36. The full recipe is in the description. Let's go. My local H-E-B had these on for 97 cents a pound. Good old spiral ham, just a cheap skank shank ham. This store-bought ham is already cured and cooked. All we want to do is start building flavors. I'm going to start off with about a tablespoon of ground black pepper. Just go ahead and sprinkle this all over the ham, all sides, top and bottom. For this ham, I like to use a roasting pan with a wire rack. As the ham cooks, those juices and that glaze will just drip down to the bottom and we can capture all that natural flavor. I'm firing up my offset smoker today. You can use any pit. We want to prioritize smoke over heat. I'll be smoking at a temperature between 200 and 225 degrees. All right, we're going to go low and slow for about an hour and a half. Put your ham on the pit, let it start building that color and deep smoke flavor. While the ham smokes, let's make this glaze. Half a cup of jelly for sweetness and that clean fruit note. You want to render this down to liquid. Keep stirring and let this simmer down until you get rid of all those lumps. Half a cup of roasted raspberry chipotle sauce. Now this is a Texas product, so you may not have this in your store. You can look for a raspberry chipotle, mango habanero. Use what you can find. Once those have come together, pour in a heaping tablespoon of cognac or brandy. To add a little note of brightness, I'm going in with just a little bit of lemon zest right here at the end. I used about half a teaspoon of lemon zest. That's really going to lift this up, give us a note of brightness. After 90 minutes, pull the ham, and you can see we're already getting some really nice color from that smoke. It's time to waken this ham up with our glaze. You can pour it right on top. Work this gently with your hands. I really like using the roasting pan. It keeps the ham off of the bottom. It allows all of those juices to just drip right down. You capture every single drop. My patience is tested today. I want to take a bite out of this ham. Yeah, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just work it in. We just want this glaze to caramelize on our ham. And we're going to go back on the pit for another 30 minutes. All right, a beautiful color on this ham. Now this ham smells like the holidays. It has filled this kitchen with the smell of spice and smoke. Just pulls apart so tender from the bone. Beautiful, rich color, just what I was going for. Let's give this ham a taste. Tender, juicy. You get the smoky, the sweet, and at the end, just a little kick of heat. The kind of flavor that only comes from doing this yourself. Now, you can go ham on this all night long. So Easter's just around the corner, or maybe you just need a reason to fire up the pit. Either way, this one's yours to try. Let me know when you do try it. Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe for more easy to follow recipes that you can make at home. Keep it bold, keep it spicy. Until next time, adios. Oh yeah. I'm going ham on this. There.